All right, today's project, putting this bike together. Let's do it. It's springtime. My kid wants to ride it. Let's get it together. Alright, so here's the bike. Got it all put together. It's actually a pretty good bike quality compared to some of the other Huffies that I've put together before for kids' bikes. I like that the handlebar is attached to this meaty bolt right here. It runs all the way down. It has like a tensioner in here. Usually it comes with like a plastic ring here that you have to try to tighten, and it's always just loose. It's also got actual pedals that screw on into these arms here. I've seen it on some of the cheaper bikes where this is actually just flip up pedals. The seat adjuster here seems pretty good quality. Everything's metal here, not much plastic that I see. The only complaint I have, if your kid has training wheels, is the ones that come with this bike aren't the quick disconnect. I've seen the newer ones where it just has a couple clips on the end and you could slide them off and take them off if you needed to. But these, you have to actually get your wrench out and take the bolt out and take these off and then put them back on if you want. So that's kind of a bummer, but other than that, great bike. So let's get it outside and see how it rides.